Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to analyze and win straight wins in sports betting. How to analyze and win straight wins Betway strategy that is guaranteed. This strategy is guaranteed. You are going to be analyzing straight wins and winning them for sure. So guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so that you can get videos like this, videos on how to win on sport betting, videos on how to win on Betway, and also videos on how to win on Aviator. So the first thing you need to do, you need to check on draw. In this strategy, you need to first check the draw, the odds on draw. As you can see that in here it's Barcelona versus Osasuna, and the odds for the draw are 6 odds. And here it's Barcelona and Wolfsburg, and you can see the odds 9 odds. So this means that there are very high chances for Barcelona to win, and there are low chances of Barcelona to lose. Okay, we are going to select Barcelona as a winning team because we can see that the odds, and look at the odds here, 10 odds, meaning that they are like 2% or 5% chances of Osasuna to win or the game to draw. Barcelona is going to win this game. So you will be looking for teams that have 5 odds and above on draw, then select them as a winning team. So here we have 9 odds on draw. Barcelona is going to win. We scroll down, 5 odds and above, 5 odds and above. As you can see, this one, this is it's easy. This is the easiest strategy that I use. You need to scroll down and look on draw. You see, you can select a team like this. You see, check this team out. You can see that the odds are 4.70, and here the odds are 1.32, and here we have 7 odds. So you can select the home team as a winning team because you can see that the odds are nearly 5 odds on draw. Okay, we have 6 odds on draw. You see, you need to scroll down and look for teams like this. This is a guaranteed strategy, and make sure to use this strategy. As you can see, you can choose this one also. This is the easiest way to analyze straight wins. So make sure to check my previous videos and also check the videos that will appear on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So guys, you see, it's easy to select teams straight wins. So we have straight wins. We have 12 straight wins. We've got 12 straight wins. You see, when you stake 10 bucks, you will win 261 bucks. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This will be the end of this video, guys. You are going, let me repeat. You are going to be checking the odds on draw. As you can see that the odds on draw are over 5. So if the odds on draw are over 5, you must know that there is a winning team, and the winning team is the team that have smaller odds. Hope you understand the video, guys. Have a good one. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can get videos like this.